Want to mix your tracks like a pro DJ using Apple Music's new AutoMIX feature in iOS 26? It's super easy to enable, and just as simple to turn off when you'd rather hear distinct intros and outros. First, open your iPhone settings and scroll down to find apps. Here you will find the list of all applications. Tap on Music. Once you're in Apple Music settings, scroll until you spot song transitions and tap that option. Now toggle it on. Here you'll find two options: the classic crossfade slider, which is great for blending songs, and the new AutoMIX mode option. Tap AutoMIX and Apple Music will start analyzing each track's key and tempo behind the scenes, automatically transitioning at just the right moment for a seamless listening experience. If you ever want to hear your music start and stop with clear breaks, simply return to Settings, Apple Music Song Transitions, and deselect AutoMIX, then choose Off or switch back to Crossfade. That's it. Your own automated DJ is now on call whenever you press play. And you can switch settings anytime you want more control. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, tap like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick iOS 26 tips.